Burrell College gave veterans a hero's welcome with a red carpet rollout and a packed lecture hall to watch emotional highlights from the latest honor flight.
So this is the 10th time that Burrell has hosted us for our reunion event, and we're just so thrilled to have them as a partner. They have a beautiful facility. Everybody here just goes out of the way. They're so kind and they're just so helpful, and they do it from the heart. Burrell is doing it to honor our veterans.
For Vietnam veteran Master Sergeant Perry Ashby, the trip to Washington was unforgettable. Now board member, he's committed to helping others take the same journey.
Still, in the back of your mind, you still have all these nightmares. Like for 50 years, you have these nightmares. I was part of mission number 13. I had no idea that it was going to be such a life-changing experience.
For Maria de la Luz Glasscock and her husband, sharing the experience together brought a new depth to their bond.
I have been married to my husband many, many years, and what I found out is that there was a lot of things I didn't know about him, okay? When the vets started talking, and they started talking about their experiences, when my husband stood up, and I just go, wait a minute, how come I don't know that? And how come I don't know that? He says, well, because there's some things that we don't like to talk about. And I said, but the thing is, you were doing your duty. You were there because you had to do your duty.
Among those honoring veterans at the event was Dr. Oliver Hayes, Associate Dean at Burrell College, and an Air Force veteran himself. He says gatherings like this go beyond celebration, serving as a lesson for our community.
I think this is really a great organization that supports our veterans in seeing and thanking them for the service they have done for our country.
Organizers say Honor Flight is a mission of gratitude, ensuring veterans know their sacrifices will never be forgotten.
It's not just healing the veteran, it's healing the families as well. And it's up to us to be sure they feel loved and that they know we're proud of them.